What if your kitchen could feel like a warm French countryside Christmas without a designer budget? Welcome to Grandma's Rustic Nest, where beautiful homes are created with simple, meaningful details. Today, we're transforming an ordinary kitchen into a Magnolia-inspired rustic French country retreat using thrifted treasures, natural textures, timeless colors, and easy DIYs that make Christmas feel personal, welcoming, and wonderfully nostalgic. The secret to this look begins with restraint. Instead of covering every surface with decorations, create a calm foundation using creamy whites, warm wood, aged brass, and soft greenery. Remove unnecessary clutter and let your kitchen's natural character shine. For women who love timeless decorating, this approach creates a room that feels collected, comfortable, and elegant rather than overly decorated. French country style is all about relaxed beauty. Introduce vintage-inspired cutting boards, ceramic pitchers, woven baskets, linen towels, and gently aged accessories. Look around your own home, or visit a thrift store before buying anything new. Mixing old and new pieces gives the kitchen that authentic farmhouse character, while soft imperfections make everything feel more welcoming and lived in. You don't need expensive arrangements to make your kitchen festive. Gather affordable faux cedar, eucalyptus, pine branches, or clippings from your yard where appropriate. Drape greenery across open shelves above cabinets or around a window. Add small pine cones and simple ribbon for warmth. The goal is effortless abundance, creating the feeling of Christmas gathered naturally from the countryside. For an inexpensive centerpiece, repurpose a wooden tray or vintage cutting board. Add a ceramic bowl, a few pine cones, evergreen stems, and ivory candles. Finish with a small linen ribbon. This arrangement works because it combines different heights, textures, and natural materials. Best of all, every element can be reused throughout the winter, making your holiday decorating investment practical. The Magnolia-inspired feeling comes from simplicity, warmth, and thoughtful layering rather than copying a specific room. Choose neutral ceramics, natural wood, woven textures, and subtle greenery. Then introduce one seasonal focal point, such as a vintage Christmas sign or handmade wreath. Keeping the palette restrained allows each meaningful piece to stand out while preserving that peaceful farmhouse atmosphere. Open shelving becomes especially charming during Christmas. Start with everyday dishes in creamy white, then layer in wooden boards, small wreaths, greenery, and vintage mugs. Avoid making every shelf symmetrical. Instead, create little moments that feel naturally collected. This decorating method is also practical because your kitchen remains functional, while seasonal details quietly add personality and holiday warmth. Now add the details that make the kitchen feel like home. Hang a favorite Christmas apron, display handwritten recipe cards, place cinnamon sticks beside a candle, or tuck ornaments into a vintage bowl. These small touches create emotional connection. For many of us, Christmas decorating is not simply about appearance. It is about recreating the comforting memories that make the season special. And that is the beauty of creating a Magnolia-inspired rustic French country kitchen. You don't need a large budget or a completely new kitchen. With thrifted pieces, natural textures, simple DIYs, and meaningful Christmas details, you can create a space that feels timeless and personal. At Grandma's Rustic Nest, remember, the most beautiful holiday homes aren't perfect. They're filled with warmth, memories, and heart.